Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your widescreen settings on Nintendo Wii console. So to do this, you'll need to press the button in the left down corner of your screen. It's Wii Options, we press on it. Then we go to Wii Settings. Select Screen, Widescreen Settings, and from here you'll be able to choose which widescreen settings you want. So I'm sticking with widescreen 16:99, and it should change if you change the actual widescreen. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.